Good afternoon, everybody. This is Kit Holmes. It is Wednesday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. That means it is time for One Mind Wednesday. Welcome. Welcome today to the Perfectly Imperfect One Mind Wednesdays. A lot of little things have transpired today that remind me that I am human, and that's a beautiful thing I'm learning. And that's my invitation to you today. Whether it's an unexpected rain shower, a bad hair day, put the hat on today, put a great hat on and just own it. That's what I'm saying about it. Perfectly imperfect. You are you. I am me. You are you. Uniquely, divinely you. Part of that one mind, but uniquely, absolutely, perfectly, imperfectly you. So I'm going to do a song today called Wind in the Trees, which I wrote about a little thing called perfectionism. So sit back and enjoy. Take a breath. Take a few minutes just to remind yourself that everything is okay, because it is. It really is. Here we go. Trees taunting you, teasing you. Come out and play. Wind in the trees, beckoning, heckling. Who are you trying to please? Little student, so well behaved, sequestered with all of your schoolwork. You take extra credit wherever you can, because you must learn, you must. Wind in the trees, taunting you, teasing you. Come out and play. Wind in the trees, beckoning, heckling. Who are you pleasing today? Trees taunting you, teasing you. Come out and play. Wind in the trees, beckoning, heckling. Who are you pleasing today? Who are you pleasing today? Wind in the trees. Take a moment. Take a moment today. You are perfectly imperfect. That's all we need. This is Kid Holmes. I look forward to seeing you again next Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Facebook Live. All of these videos are archived on my YouTube channel. That address is in the description of this post. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for supporting my music. Thank you for allowing me to do what I do in the world, and I hope that it brings you joy. I hope that it reminds you that it's all okay, and we are all in this together, because we are part of that one mind. So, kindness matters. Love is the only answer. Love you all dearly. I will see you next Wednesday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, or anytime in the archives. Thanks. Have a great week. Perfectly imperfect, the end of the video.